In today's video, I'll show you how to use Autofilter in LibreOffice Calc. Start by opening LibreOffice Calc and loading your spreadsheet. Make sure your data includes a header row at the top since Autofilter places filtering controls in those header cells. Click anywhere inside your data range to ensure Calc detects the full table. Next, go to the Data menu and select Autofilter. Small drop-down arrows will appear in each header cell indicating that filtering is now enabled. Click the drop-down arrow for the column you want to filter. You'll see a list of values from that column. Uncheck all, then select only the specific values you want to display and confirm. Calc will instantly hide rows that don't match your selection. If your column contains many entries, use the search box within the filter menu to quickly narrow the available values. You can also apply conditions such as filtering numbers greater than or less than a specific value or showing only empty or non-empty cells. You can apply filters to multiple columns at the same time. Each filter works together, narrowing the visible data to rows that meet all selected criteria. When you want to reset a column, open its filter menu and select All again. To disable filtering entirely, return to the Data menu and click Autofilter to turn it off. That's how you use Autofilter in LibreOffice Calc to quickly sort and focus on the data you need.